Hi, in this lecture I'm just going to show you that how we'll create section of beam and how we'll insert that on column. So let's start. First of all, you have to click here beams, and from here you have to select horse beam, and from here you have to click that dot and you'll be able to see that, and here you are able to select different types of beam. So suppose they have rectangular, then T-beam, then I-beam, and they have another types of beam, I mean composite beam. So simply click here. Suppose I need that beam, okay, and reduction of moment of inertia, if you need that you can select that, otherwise no need, and then give here your width and height of beam. So I'll just give here your value are in inch, you'll be able to see here, and you know that how to change that unit. Previously I have shown you about that. So here B will be 12 and our height will be suppose 15, 12 into 15, and you can see that your level have created automatically. Here your level have created automatically. Okay, so if you need to change that, suppose FB, that means floor beam 12 into 15 inch, then you can give here like that. Okay, and after that when it's done, simply click here add, and again if you need another types of beam, suppose if you need T beam here, then you can give here. Okay, so this is the B, I mean width of beam. Suppose consider that that's 12 and A's that is 15, and what will be the BF from that point to that point. Okay, so for web it will be 36, or consider that will be 30, and what will be the HF, thickness of web. So we'll give here our HF will be 6, like that. Okay, and after that simply click here add. Yes, we want to modify which we should change that name, so I'll just give here TB, that means TB, then simply click add and close. So when it's done, just see here two types of beam available, floor beam and T-beam we have defined. Now which beam you want to define? Suppose I want to define floor beam here like that. So after that floor beam, and after selecting that, give here any data you need. Okay, and when you have selected, now click here and click here. Just see this beam have created. Again click here and click here, again click and click. So like that you are able to draw beam. Click and click. Okay, now if you need to do, I mean if you need to draw another types of beam, then simply select from here for T beam. Now select that point and select that point. Just see this is T beam, and again click here and click here, and again click here and click here, again click here and click here. Just see how easily we have created our beam. And if you want to see that in view, just click here to see in view. Just see here we have created beam here. So in this way we are able to create our beam. Okay, so thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.